Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson, MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our 23 Bennington LX. It's a 2024 model. This boat has the swingback seating layout with the L-shaped bench going into the swingback. We did the graphite with the blue with the white stitching for the interior. As you can see, really cool detailing, especially how that white stitching pops the blue. This has the cutout for the cup holders and the speakers. This does have RGB lighting. Being the LX, you got the nice sized helm with the sport windshield elevated helm. I'll show you that with the Simrad. Has a 10-foot bimini, and we did the blackout package on this to add some nice styling to this boat. So some really cool featuring. So walking through the boat here, we'll spin around. You got the nice radius seating up front, big white seat bases, very comfortable. Big open area here, nice gate with the gate stop there, so it won't swing when you want to open it up. Coming back around, because it is the LX, you got this new windshield they have, very cool sporty windshield for this year. Going into this nice L area, so nice area to hang out, real easy to have conversation, nice area with the table, going right into the swing back, and then coming over here to the captain's area. Got the Mercury with the 200, you got the Simrad, Rockford Fosgate, like I said, you got the RGB lighting, so all the speakers and cup holders will light up. And then this is all storage underneath this swingback sun pad, and then this does flip either way, so you can sit facing in or out of the boat. And then we have the nice Bennington grill back here that lights up. Like I said, 23-foot boat. It's the LX model. So come on out, check this boat out at the store. It'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, and then you can always call us at 864-236-9005. We have a lot of Benningtons, guys, so come on, check them all out. Great inventory of boats, and we have more inside and more out front, so perfect time. The weather's still great. Come and get yourself a nice Bennington. Thank you.